Hey, what's up guys? I'd like to say good afternoon to all of you guys and thanks for watching here on my channel. Anyway guys, today is another vlog day, okay, another video that I'm going to upload. But instead, today is different, okay? I'm not going out to show you something. So what I'm going to do now today guys is I'm going to explain to you, or I'm going to introduce myself as a vlogger. First of all, to all of you who doesn't know me yet, let me explain or let me introduce myself first, okay? By the way, my name is Manny Gonzalez. You can call me Manny for short, guys. I was born in Cebu. Then at the age of 3 years old, I went to Tagaytay. I went to St. Augustine School for elementary, and then Tagaytay Mendes Academy for high school. Then I went to Manila for college in Adamson University. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to finish my studies in Adamson because I was transferred to Puerto Princesa, Palawan, and I studied Holy Trinity College at that time, but now I think it's Holy Trinity University. During that time, I was also working with my father's office, okay, in Chambers Marketing Sewage Company. After like how many years, like 1 year and a half, 2 years, I transferred to Palawan Polytechnic College, taking up tourism. By the way guys, my course in Adamson is business BSBA management, and Holy Trinity College is BSBA management, guys. But when I transferred to Palawan Polytechnic College, I took up tourism, okay? And I'm sorry to say I wasn't able to finish the whole college thing because I transferred here to Canada at the year 2000. So I took up my e-commerce programming 2-year course. I graduated in a diploma in e-commerce programming, and that's the reason why I took up, and I have my course of e-commerce programming in STI Dumaguete, guys. Now, supposed to be, I have a lot of experience also since I was young, since I was still studying in Adamson or still studying in other school. I tried to work as a sales agent in pre-need companies like Platinum Pension Plan, Professional Pension Plan. I also work with Kia Pasay Tramo as a sales agent, selling cars, and also try to work with Electrolux, you know Electrolux?
I'm gonna knock on your door, ring on your bell.
I'm gonna knock on your door. And that's those are my experience. And also I had experience working with, of course, my father's business, which is sewage, buying, sell sewage, agar, or what do you call this? I forget the other word. But not only that, so those are my experience. And year 2007, I studied oil drilling in oil well, I forgot the name of the schools. I think it was oil well drilling in Cebu. I took up safety officer course, basic safety training, IIDC training. So since then, I try to work with, first company abroad is Nabors Drilling, and then From there, I work as a safety officer in offshore rig in rig 660. As you can see there, guys, rig 660, and I'm a safety officer in offshore rig for only for a few months, like a month ago, 2 months only. And then I wanted to transfer to land base because I really hate offshore. I feel disappointed or feel boring or feel unsafe because if you're in the middle of the sea looking nowhere and the rig is not really not safe. So I decided to transfer in the land base, not the real safety officer of that rig. So I'm just only a reliever. So yeah, they transferred me as a receptionist because in Saudi there's no women. Women are not allowed for working in the company as a receptionist. So most of the receptionists in the company in Saudi, guys, are men. So since I was transferred as a receptionist, I'm dealing with a call, receiving calls, incoming calls, sending some fax. Also, not only that, but I work as asset department. So I'm helping people in asset doing the encoding thing because I'm. By the way, maybe you don't know, guys, I'm expert in computer. I do fix computers, hardware, software. I do format computers. I can also fix cell phones. I have my own cell phones, by the way. Before I went to abroad, I have my own business, cell phone accessories, cell phone repair. And anyway, guys, let me continue. So that time, my work is 2 months work or three months work, 1 month vacation. 3 months work, 1 month vacation in Nabors Drilling, Saudi, guys. I worked in Saudi for only a year, and then after that, I was transferred to Nabors Drilling, Kuwait. I work as a safety officer in Rig 143. Experience in Kuwait is really wow. I don't know, I can't even explain it because I thought I'm going to die in Kuwait because there's an instances that happens that there's a lot of refinery thing. KOC, guys, Kuwait Oil Company, near the border of Kuwait and Iraq. There's a lot of refinery there. So normally they do flaring to release the H2S, right? But unfortunately, there's one event happened that they release the gas or the H2S, but they forgot to turn on the fire. So the H2S was released on the air at night time around 2 o'clock in the morning without fire. So the smell was spread out all over the place. So our system, we have our own system. I'm also a safety officer. Our system in the rig, I was also sleeping in the rig that time. The alarm went on after he detected H2S. So all of us went to starboard, opposite the direction of the wind. Of course, you have to be there. But when we go to the opposite side of the wind, the side of the safety place, I can still smell the H2S. I said, wow, H2S is not coming from our rig, because we are already in opposite side of the wind direction, and I can still smell the H2S. And then when I turned back, I saw there's a flaring beyond, like I don't know how many kilometers that. I can see a refinery thing that the smoke is coming out from the top. Man, my experience that time, oh wow, it's really painful because you get H2S. Like they said, as long as you can smell it, you're still safe. But as long as you cannot smell anything about the H2S, that's huge and that's dangerous, and you're gonna die automatically. So what happened that time? All of us are really dizzy because how many minutes we were staying there for? Like 15 to 30 minutes already standing there, and still smell the H2S. What I did is I talked to the company man of the rig. I said to the company man of the rig, please call that over there, the refinery, tell them to shut down, because when they did when the floor when the rig manager and the tool pusher went all over the place to detect, they cannot detect any H2S from our rig. But from the point where we're standing, we can still smell the H2S. I said, the H2S coming from there. So immediately the company man called the refinery, and then the refinery shut it down, and then there you go. Oh man, we were so lucky, because if I didn't detect that, maybe I'm already dead, man. That's too bad. That's the worst experience I ever experienced in Kuwait, guys. Based on my experience, guys, KOC in that place is so risky because the H2S content on that place is too high and very dangerous. Unfortunately, I still worked there for almost a year. Yeah, and we had an argument with my supervisor because politics. He wanted to bring some people from the country. He's a Kenya guy. He's a safety officer supervisor, and he wants to invite his own people from Kenya to work as a safety officer from us. And then he's trying his best to remove me and put that guy. So anyway, to make the story short, I worked on Kuwait for almost only a year, guys. Then after that,